Welcome. If you're tired of getting those constant trending places notifications on Instagram and want a little more peace and quiet, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn off trending places notifications on Instagram, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to turn off these notifications. Next, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon, in the top right corner. Tap on that to open up the menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new menu where you can manage all kinds of preferences for your Instagram experience. Now, tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize exactly what Instagram alerts you about. Within the Notifications menu, find and tap on From Instagram. This section lets you control notifications that come directly from Instagram about new features, updates, and of course, trending places. Scroll until you see the option labeled Trending Places. Once you find it, simply select Off. This will stop Instagram from sending you notifications about trending locations so you can enjoy your feed without those extra interruptions. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully turned off trending places notifications on Instagram. No more pop-ups about what's trending nearby, just the content you actually care about. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want to take control of their Instagram notifications. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy a quieter, more personalized Instagram experience.